A gathering of cars line the grass verges of the Black Country route. Footage filmed from a police vehicle in pursuit of a driver speeding along the dual carriageway. A wet evening in a car park in Dudley. Spectators shelter under trees as drivers perform stunts. Another pursuit. The car in the distance is travelling at 100 miles per hour in West Bromwich. This footage forms part of an application to the High Court requesting a permanent injunction banning so-called car cruising in the Black Country, giving the police the powers to intervene where current laws leave gaps.
A lot of laws that we can deal with around dangerous driving and stuff, a lot of these are matters where people have to actually commit the offence. The injunction allows us to be a bit more preemptive, so where we see gatherings or we get complaints of racing where we haven't been able to observe it, we can attend those areas and using the injunction powers we can enforce against those that are committing the worst offences.
The existing temporary injunction bans drivers or passengers gathering as two or more vehicles to engage in racing, stunts, dangerous or obstructive driving. Police wanted it extended to cover spectators after two teenagers lost their lives.
It's heartbreaking to see this kind of happen to two such young individuals with such a future ahead of them. And this is just the dangers we're trying to do. People think the police are being mean to car enthusiasts. What we're trying to prevent is road death.
The fatal collision in November 2022 happened on this stretch of road in Oldbury. On that night, a car collided with a group of young people who were spectators gathered near to this junction of the dual carriageway. Two suffered fatal injuries and were confirmed dead at the scene. They were only 16 and 19 years old. Following the deaths of Liberty Charis and Ben Caulfield, a 55-year-old man from Solihull has been charged with causing death by dangerous driving and is due in court later this month. The injunction application is a collaboration between West Midlands Police and 4 local councils, Dudley, Sandwell, Walsall and Wolverhampton, which is leading the case.
It's terrible for the residents. They cannot get to sleep, they cannot go across to walk down the road because of this racing that's taking place, and they sort of tend to get locked into their homes. And it's for everyone's safety as well, because lives are so dangerous, lives can be lost. So by coming together, it's the stronger voice.
The application goes to the High Courts of Justice in Birmingham on the 27th of February. Until then, police continue to use their temporary powers on the roads of the Black Country.